Crystal just found some garlic, a few cloves of garlic or whole heads of garlic. And as we're collecting them, we're like, this is so weird. We wonder if like a produce ship lost a container or something. This lady comes up and like, I'm making offerings to the ocean. Put them back, put them back. I don't know what garlic in the ocean signifies, so if you do know, leave it down in the comments. She's not happy, she's still throwing them in the ocean. Are you ladies ready to hit the road?
Yeah. Let's do this.
Bye. We're out of here. Bye.
That was fun. Thank you.
What do you think?
It's so pretty.
Why they call it a rainforest. The only supposed rainforest in the United States, ladies. So, we just got to the house with Tony and Chris. They're here already. Waiting for the rest of the friends to show up. We just got to unload the car, load up the kitchen with all the goodies we just bought, and we're just going to hang out and chill for the rest of the night. So, I think more or less that's a wrap on today. We are not going to document tonight's fun because, well, we're just going to have fun. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Boing!